Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new AMD Ryzen 7. It's the 2700X. It comes with the rate cooler, the RGB one. The other specs you can find on the internet. Let's peel off the sigil. Here on this side we have the CPU, which you can also see through the box, and Ryzen sticker. Okay, and some paperwork. Nothing else in the box, despite the cooler, which comes in a fancy box itself. Wow, I'm so used to my Noctua that this seems so small. I don't know if it is worth. And one cable fell off. This is the cooler itself, with its holding mechanism, all the fins, the copper heat pipes, it has 4, and the base is also pre-applied thermal grease, and as you can see, the base plate is copper. Here is the fan connector. Let's put this aside. Here is an USB connector. I think this is for lighting effect. And let's see what else from the. This is another cable. I didn't read the instructions which is which. This is my Ryzen unboxing. I will still have coming some many parts, and I'll be building my Ryzen desktop in the next videos. Up and up. So thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Have a nice day.